They say time heals everything, but sometimes, time just hides the pain until one letter brings it all back. This is the story of Ayan, a man who thought he'd moved on, until the past found him again, sealed in an old envelope. Ayan was 32 now, an architect in Mumbai. Calm, disciplined, detached. He woke up early, brewed his black coffee, opened his laptop, and buried himself in work. Every day felt the same. No friends, no laughter, just deadlines and silence. But there was a time, 10 years ago, when his world was full of color. When a girl named Meera used to wait for him outside college, holding 2 cups of cutting chai. They were inseparable, dreamers, rebels, the kind of couple who believed love can fix everything. But life disagreed. Meera's parents moved abroad. Ayan stayed back to finish his degree. Long distance turned into silence. One misunderstanding. One fight. And that was it. He tried calling. She never replied. And slowly, Meera became a memory, buried under layers of pride and regret. 10 years later, one morning, his apartment's bell rang. "Sir, registered post for you," said the postman. Ayan signed, barely looking. But when he noticed the sender's name, Meera Sharma, his hands froze. His heartbeat stumbled. He tore it open carefully. Inside was a single folded letter, slightly yellowed with age. Date, 14 June 2015. Exactly 10 years ago. He sat down, trembling, and began to read. "Dear Ayan, I know you'll probably never read this. I'm leaving for London tomorrow. I tried to meet you today, but your hostel warden said you left early. Maybe fate didn't want us to say goodbye. I'm not angry anymore. I just hope one day, when we both grow older, we'll smile thinking of what we had. Please don't stop drawing. You are meant for something beautiful. Love. Meera." Ayan stared at the ink smudges, maybe tears, maybe rain. He whispered her name again and again, as if it might echo back. He rushed to the post office with the envelope, desperate to know how it reached Ed after 10 years. The clerk checked the stamp. "Looks like it got misplaced in an old batch we recovered last week, sir. Sorry about that." Ayan just nodded. But inside, something cracked open, like the dust sealing a forgotten box. That night, he opened his old sketchbook. Page after page, drawings of Meera. Her eyes. Her laugh. He smiled painfully. "You were right, Meera." I stopped drawing. For the first time in years, he picked up a pencil. Days turned into weeks. Ayan started sketching daily again, faces, streets, people. He uploaded a few on Instagram. Out of nowhere, his art went viral. An art gallery contacted him for an exhibition titled Letters Never Sent. The theme? Lost love and unfinished stories. Ayan agreed. It was time. On the exhibition night, while the crowd admired his work, he noticed a woman standing quietly at the corner, curly hair, blue scarf. When she turned, his heart stopped. It was Meera. They walked toward each other slowly, like two timelines finally aligning. 10 years, she said softly. I thought you forgot me. He showed her the old letter. It reached last month. Her eyes widened. That letter? I wrote it the night before I left. I thought it never reached. Ayan smiled faintly. It reached exactly when I needed it. They both laughed, not like lovers reunited, but like old souls forgiving time itself. They didn't promise forever this time. No drama, no music, no tears, just peace. Ayan thanked her for the closure, the inspiration, and the reminder that love doesn't always mean staying. Sometimes, love just means leaving a letter behind. 10 years late, one letter changed a man's life. Maybe destiny isn't about timing, it's about delivery. Because some letters, like some people, arrive exactly when your soul is ready to receive them.